Hello everybody, this is Tom Howard coming to you from the pages that I built. What I'm doing here is I got two programs that are going to help you make $30 off from each referral. Okay, those programs are One Dental and NGO. Now, I'm making money with both of these programs, and here's a check from One Dental for $80. So that's proof positive that I make money with One Dental. You'll have to take my word for it on NGO, but the way NGO works is you sign up for NGO and you get a bonus of $10 for signing up, but the bonuses aren't released until you subscribe to one of their mini plans. Then when you subscribe to one of their mini plans, which costs you $1 a week for that mini plan, you get off from that $1 a week, you get an interest paid back to you. You get the full $1 paid back to you, and you get 15 to 20 cents on the dollar. So you're making money with it. You're not actually spending any money with it. But what that does for you when you get into both of those, NGO and the mini plan, it gives you $10 for joining and $10 for subscribing to the mini plan. And those bonuses are released a week after you sign up for the mini plan. So or a couple days after you sign up for the mini plan. And when you refer somebody and they follow the directions, they're going to sign up for One Dental, that's $20, and you're going to get, when they are totally signed up for NGO, you're going to get $10 off of that. So that's where I come up with the $30 for referring someone and $20 for getting started. That's the way that my whole program works. Now, how do I know who refers who? You have to join ClickBank, because ClickBank is going to put you into a page like this here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my other account. This is a complete and get there. Now they can't see that movie there until they enter their information into this page here. But once they enter their information into this page here, it tells me whose page based on this link right here. And I would know that Tom Howard 1, which is my other bank account, sent that person to this page. So I send them your NGO, and I give them some instructions for joining that, and I send them One Dental. One Dental I start out with, and then I tell them about NGO, and I describe everything to them, and maybe even send them this video so they understand what's going on with the whole program. But this is the best, easiest way that I can work with my affiliates, with the team members that I sign up, because I have figured out the system for doing that. So if you can't understand that, I don't know if I can help you any more than that, because you don't pay any money up front, and you make money. You see what it says right there? Make money without spending money. And that's the God's truth, is you make money without spending money. Now, what I'm going to do, I have a number of splash pages that I can give everybody, and they're all based off from the ClickBank username and everything. And you can make some money with those splash pages as well, because I have some products for sale, and if a person buys the products and don't join the program, you're going to make money anyways off of ClickBank, as long as you're a member of ClickBank for free. So there you have it. That's the whole system, the whole program. Everybody can make a lot of money with this. So let's get out there, sign up, get going with this, and I give everybody great customer service. So until you get in the program, you won't know how I do that, but I have a number of different ways to communicate with you, and everything is free to you. Okay? Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one.